the truth
Uy,
is,
sus!
control is an illusion of God's ability by your situation. Measure your situation by God's ability. There is no sickness he cannot heal, no debt he cannot cancel, no relationship he cannot restore, no door he cannot open, no heart he cannot soften, no battle he cannot win. He is still the almighty, the all-sufficient, the all-powerful King of kings. And he is not pacing the floors of heaven wondering how to help you. He already has the solution in place. He's just waiting for you to surrender. And sometimes trusting God means letting go of your timeline, letting go of how you thought it would unfold, letting go of your pride, your fear, your control.
Uy, uy, uy,
Because
uy.
the truth
Uy,
is,
sus!
control is an illusion. You were never in control anyway. But when you release it to God, you're placing it into the
What
hands.
happened? Go to skirt. Go to skirt. No, go to skirt.
Nag-slide. Ang bilis eh. Magaan siya, walang karga.
Big goodness, we were too far away from that. It slided like so fast.
Because no, the road is wet. Buti walang mga sasakyan sa gilid niya tsaka sa harap.
We should go slowly.
Yeah. Dahan-dahan siya. Ano kasi yan eh. Tuyo yung daan, yung kalsada doon sa likod. Tapos biglang basa na dito kasi umulan dito banda. Siguro hindi kumapit yung, siguro pinitik niya yung brake. Medyo pinitik niya yung brake. Ayun, dumulas. Kaya ingat mga kapwa driver pag maulan, lalo na pag yung kakatapos yung ulan or ka-start ng ulan, madulas talaga yung kalsada. Did you see that one?
Yeah.
It's like a movie.